Thank you for purchasing your new FinaMill. We hope you love it. FinaMill is the easiest way to grind spices. You get a world of flavor with the touch of one button, and the magic is in the pod. We're honored to have awards from Red Dot and A Design and over 1,000 5-star reviews. Let's unbox a FinaMill together so that you know exactly what to expect when you get yours home. So you're going to open the box, and on the inside you will see your FinaMill and 2 of the Fina pods. These are the Pro Plus pods that are designed for everyday or oily spices. Now, this is all you're going to see on that front compartment. This space and this space are designed to be empty, so don't worry, they're not missing anything. And on the inside, you will have your user manual that can answer any questions you have that might come up. We also have stickers that are designed for your Pro Plus pods, and they also give you lots of ideas for other spices that you might want to add to your kitchen. And then I'm going to show you how to put the batteries in. You're going to need 3 AA batteries. Quarter turn, lift it straight up, and as you can see, there's 3 places for those AA batteries. These pop right in, and these are going to last you about 4 months. The top goes right back on the front, another quarter click turn, and you're ready to go. Now, if you purchase a USB rechargeable FinaMill, this one of course doesn't need batteries. It's going to come with this charging cord that you're simply going to plug into the side. This side is going to plug into a USB port that you have from home, similar to something that comes right with your cell phone. Now this is going to plug into the wall. This is going to come to you partially charged, so 2 of these lights will be glowing and flashing. Once it's fully charged after plugging it into the wall, you'll see all 3 lights stationary glowing. That way you know it's fully charged and ready to use. The charge on here will last several months.